Alright everybody, turkey hunting this morning. Got out here a little later than I wanted to. I mean, we've been in the blind for a little bit. I got my nephew Ethan here. I'm gonna try to film him shooting a bird. But we got some decoys right out here. The sun's just coming up. We're in the double bull. My brother shot one out here yesterday, and he's seen some other times. I don't know what. I wish I got here a little earlier. Haven't heard any gobbling on the roost since we've been here, so a little bit windy this morning. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. We got them gobbling this morning down here. We're hoping they're gonna come up here. I can hear at least three. There's at least three gobblers down there. I can hear them. They're fired up. That's a good sign. We didn't see anything yesterday. Any gobblers anywhere. Fingers crossed they're gonna come up here, I hope. It's probably really hard to see him, but we got a big Tom coming across the field over here. He's right out there in the field. He was clear up there in the corner of the field. I've been calling to him. He's coming. We're gonna try to get him in here. Stay tuned. I'll turn you back on if he gets closer. as he turns sideways, can you hit him there, you think?
No, not from here.
You don't think so?
I'm gonna hit the tent.
Well, I mean, stick the barrel out, but just wait, just wait. Don't fuck around, don't. Right in the head.
Right now.
Yep. Hold on.
Yep.
Alright, take his head off. Good shot, Ethan. Good shot, buddy. Nice shot, buddy. Wow, that took a while. That was freaking awesome. Good shot, buddy. Man, we called him in from all the way across the field, all the way up there by that Connex box. I was gonna wait. We got our decoys over here. He was gonna come there sooner or later, but I don't know. I was getting tired of waiting. I wanted Ethan to get that bird. Nice shot, buddy. Fucking A.
Put on a nice job.
Good job, buddy.
I think I hit him just a little more.
Yeah, I don't think you hit him in the head. It didn't look like a good headshot to me. That was exciting. My brother, let me zoom this back in. My twin brother's blind is right up there. And he shot one a couple hours ago. We heard him shoot. We couldn't see it. It was on the other side of the hill, but so he got one, and now Ethan's got one. I still got a tag, so and this is the only second day of my season. I got 3 or 4 more days left. Oh yeah, that was great. Good job, buddy.
Nice, thank you. That was all you.
Well, he's flopping around right now. We might want to go out there and check him out. Get your gun,
yeah,
just to make sure. I don't want to see him get up and take off. Step on his head. Don't stomp on it, just step on it, hold him. It's a beautiful bird. Huh?
Got him right in the neck.
Good. Still blinking. Watch where you're pointing that gun.
Yeah.
What do you think? Pretty happy?
Awesome.
Hold your gun up. I want to take a look at this beard. Oh yeah, he's got a nice beard. Nice beard. Nice spurs. Decent spurs. It's a beautiful bird.
Not as good as the one Dad got yesterday.
I think that your dad's out of the blind over there now. So, yeah, beautiful. Like I said, we had our decoys up there and blind right there, but he was clear up there. We spotted him clear up there by that Connex box. He was gobbling. I kept calling to him and I gobbled to him. Brought him all the way across this field. He's seen these decoys here. He's seen that Jake for sure. He was coming to that Jake, but he was just taking his time, and I was hoping Ethan could get a shot at him when he got up here, but I was just getting nervous. So, yep. We'll get over there and see my brother's bird, and we'll get them, put them together, and give you a shot. Fill you in on the rest of the video here. I still got a few more days to fill my tags, so it's looking good. We heard a lot of birds gobbling on the roost this morning, so I mean, it sounded like a war zone down there.
Do you think that this was one of them that was down there, or
no?
I think this was completely different.
I think it came from the other way.
Yeah.
But I think those birds looped around us and then came out over there by your dad.
What did Dad say? He saw three times,
2 jakes and 6 hens.
It may have been
this is a
those guys, because they ended up going all the way down.
Yeah.
It sounded like.
All right, stay tuned. All right, well, we got my brother's bird up here too now. Got them both together for a few pictures here. What do you guys think?
Good day. Good morning in the turkey woods.
Great morning. Bad day to be a turkey. A great day to be a Larson.
Yeah, there's 2 really nice birds here. So beautiful morning. Like I said, it's sunny, no wind, calm. Man, we heard them gobbling all over the place. So we're gonna get some weights on these. I'll probably put it up on the screen here for you. But really appreciate you guys watching this hunt. Hopefully I'll have another video as soon as I get done. Hopefully I can be successful here in a couple days. So until the next video, here we go. We got some birds on the ground finally. Good luck with everything.